Na kami sa kanyang nadi time check ay 4:25.
Kasi jana wajid kan jus. Sino? Jana kan jus why? Sino? Sino? Qadra jana wajid kan jus.
Anak ka just less. Anak sa may video.
لا جانا كنجوز سوي فيديو عشان يبي فلوس صح؟ كنجوز
Arab, sebuah صديق ومكان نقرأ هو Arab. عشان هو ما سوي فيديو هو مكان نقرأ شنو Arab. صح ولا لا؟
Sufte?
شنو؟
Tell our friends we're going to what? Yala. Tell them
We're going to Naji
we don't have to be late because
because the teacher
the coach.
coach get angry. See the coach. This one you see the hair here.
It's hair. A lot
Yes,
of hair.
yes. Everyone have like this.
When you will
Also
become
me.
big like Baba Abdullah, you will have also.
This one, the hair
Sufte,
I have.
Hassan have.
Wait,
Hassan have it.
wait.
Don't shout.
Okay, Adi. See, the hair.
Wait. I'll
It's
tell you
gray.
something.
It's a gray.
I'll tell you something. The other day,
Yes.
last week, the Wednesday, I think that one, I clean your room. There is a cut of hair. When did you cut your hair? Why you cut your hair?
No,
Wallah, it's a lot.
nothing.
And then you put it under your bed. I forgot to tell you the other day.
Yeah, dear.
Because of the hair, see? I remember something.
Baby, I did.
Who? The Kanjus?
No,
Who? The Dracula?
maybe you.
How come? I don't sleep in your room.
Maybe you cut the hair when I was in the sala, and then you put it under the hair.
No, your hair, the
Then
hair
you
there
say
is
it.
curly. Like you cut it from here, oh, like this, long like this, like this.
Curly like me.
Yes. Did we pass in Abdullah Salim?
Baby, curly like Hassan.
No, the hair of Hassan is not curly. Your hair is curly. Did we pass already in Abdullah Salim?
No, we will pass. See.
Ambulance, oh.
Yan.
How I wish to ride in the ambulance.
See.
Don't do like.
See.
Mm.
The coach have
Mm.
this one.
Mm.
It's gray dots, gray. Really.
Maybe he is not a Kuwaiti.
And his finger, it's not until here. It's more here.
Maybe he is not a Kuwaiti. He just know how to speak Arabic.
Yes, maybe.
Because when he were asking me why you were late like this, and then I said sorry, I don't understand Arabic.
Yes.
Then he did not talk. You see, ambulance, oh, emergency.
But he say, maybe come before.
The water.
For 10 or 5 minutes.
There is a water there. It's not free. You have to pay.
What?
There in the water, the dispense. How do you call it?
No, it's not money. 1 million KD, habibi. Captain.
This is Abdullah Salim. Bye-bye, Abdullah Salim. Ito yung entrance natin. Pero dadaanan lang muna natin ngayon.
Bye.
Ayan.
I wonder
What are you wondering?
where is Baba Anwar living?
I don't know also.
Before he lived in the Andalus. So,
Mm.
now he live where? Maybe have a new house, maybe. I wonder, sir.
Mm.
You wonder with me also?
No, I don't wonder because instead of wondering where his house, why you don't ask so that you will know? Or why you don't ask your mother?
Hindi ba check ka na mo?
Ilaw ah.
Sino yun?
God, good thinking.
Some-
Make like this.
See? I know it.
All my friends in the school make like this.
Means they are intelligent.
What?
Intelligent.
Not all of them. Some.
You are one of them, right? You are one of them or what?
How did you know?
Huh?
How did you know?
Because I know you. Right or no?
I need to make like this. Some of them make like this. Some of them make like this.
Like this.
Yes.
For us Philippines, we're doing like this. Raise your hand like
You
this.
can't make like
Indonesian, no. We can't do like this. Indonesian are doing like this also.
Indonesian. Bola bread.
For 30 na. You have again 30 minutes.